What's up, y'all? Nick here with Pretty Much Canada, and today we got some winter prep work we got to get going. I gotta swap these buckets out. I got the windshield wiper on the skid steer isn't working all that great. The component inside the door is spinning, but for some reason it's not grabbing the windshield wiper to make it run across the windshield like such. And so I gotta swap that out with that. Figure out what's wrong with the windshield wiper, and then we got to see if I can get a better. That shouldn't do that. That's really bad. I think it's just a snap ring or a push ring or something like that. Hopefully it's just a simple fix. Nothing to be worried about. It's Tuesday. By Saturday, they're saying we're supposed to have like 14 inches of snow, so we're going to try to get everything ready, everything cleaned up best we can. Get some salt and some sand in the sander. Get these swapped around like I was saying. Make sure the plow's got oil, hydraulic fluid, all that good jazz. Get it set up. You guys stay tuned. Well, that's one bucket down. Let's go hook up that yellow guy after we fix stuff. All right, so here's our other problem. This switch right here is for the windshield wiper, and when I turn it on, it should be running across the windshield right now, but it's not. So I gotta pull that apart and see what's the problem with that. Not good. Still shoots. Doesn't do nothing though. So what I'm gonna try first is to tighten this guy down, see if that'll do anything. If not, I'm gonna have to pull all that apart and see what isn't happening inside of the door there. Wish me luck. Whew. Well, I tried tightening that nut. Didn't do much. So it's a little worse than I thought it was. So we're going to see if we can dig into it a little bit more. Did some digging on it. Here's what I found out. So I'd rip open the motor. This little guy is the culprit. When I open it up, try to get this. And of course, she's on there tight now. This end was sitting like down in here. This top end was not even attached. So this bar connects the two, spins around in a circle. They both spin around in a circle. And it makes that thing move back and forth. Pretty simple fix, but we bought a new motor anyway.